Uh-oh. It's a kitchen drain. Uh-oh. You got some cracks in it right there. So we're gonna cut it right about here. Run a piece of ABS. Probably up to that pier right there. That's pretty bad. Look at that. It's packed with roots. The break was right back here, so the roots grew all the way up. I don't know how far up that goes. That's packed with roots, man. It ain't pretty, but it's supported where it needs to be. It's got enough fall. That's that, man. But I'm gonna have to recommend that we replace the entire kitchen drain because you got roots growing up in there, man. And that's gonna do nothing but cause issues. So from right where it transitions to ABS right there, I'm gonna recommend replacing all the way back.